A legacy of excellence isn't shaped in a day. It's strengthened over time. From our first ever workshop in India to over 100 customer touchpoints today, we've come a long way in offering the best-in-class luxury experience to our customers. From servicing one car a day to servicing a car under 180 minutes, we've accelerated to keep pace with you, to deliver what you need, no matter where you are. How? By constantly innovating our tech and upgrading services to deliver a seamless experience always. We're even nurturing the brightest minds today to shape a brighter tomorrow. While engineering excellence is in our DNA, customer satisfaction is at the heart of everything we do. From our cars to our community. At Mercedes-Benz, excellence isn't a one-time win, it is an eternal pursuit. A desire to excel, a desire to exceed.